Good morning, Nessie with Daily Profits. And today is August 24th. So we're looking at Bed Bath and Beyond. This morning, it is the leading gapper in the market. As you can see, did a nice move. Broke 11, kept going, pulled back. So basically, I'm looking for a nice little entry for the break of 12. So nothing but green candles. Now looking for a pullback and then a retest back towards the highs, which is at 12. So basically, this is my entry. Um, in regards to my entry strategy, I like to enter around the half-dollar whole dollar marks. So basically, a good entry for me would be in around the 1150s, and then I would add. And also, if I did miss the 1150 here, then I will look to enter for the break of 12. So it's pulling back right now. So just want to see what it wants to do. And then if it starts moving back up, I'll definitely dial in an entry around like 90, 95 um, for the break of 12 around the highs. So that's basically my entry. So it's moving right now. So let's see exactly how this is going to turn out. So as you can see, did a nice move, and you have 6 green candles before pullback. Here's 95 right now. So as you can see, 4 candles. It's just basically putting a top right here. And the highest volume of the day was on this candle here. So there is some resistance around $12. But if it can break 12, you can get a nice continuation. Okay, it comes push above 12, some buyers at 12. I got an entry at 1201. As you can see, nice moving to 1217. I didn't buy, I didn't get to fill all my shares, but that's fine. But let's see if it can hold 12 and continue. So on just that one candle, you put up a high of 1217. So I want to see if we can get continuation from there. I see a lot of buys at 12. So it does have a line of support at 12. So let's see if we get that continuation here. Here's 15. There's some sellers at 15. So if we can break 15 and 17, then we'll definitely get 50. Oh, okay. That was not meant to happen. This is a fat finger trade, ladies and gents. My hands was in my keyboards, and I just pressed down for selling to sell all my shares out. Okay. Well, so basically this is one of my entry strategies. So basically for the break of a whole dollar, so break of 12, and just look for that continuation through 12 and continue higher. Um, and then also a lot of my entry strategies due to chart patterns that I see on the charts. So I definitely love the ABCD patterns, the flag patterns, the flat top breakout patterns. So those are great entry strategies that I also use, and they really, really work out. basically my entry here was here for the break of 12 for that continuation move, but fat fingered it and got out early. But if it can hold 12, then you can definitely get that push back higher. Or it could come below 12, and then just consolidate around this 9 moving average, which is the blue line. Consolidate sideways, and then push higher with volume. But for any entry for me to take place, it does have to have volume behind it. As you can see, for the break of 12, there was a nice volume here. And then volume started to go down on these blue bars. And then a big red bar came in on this one, which is heavy selling pressure. And it came back down towards around $12. But you can see it's holding at 12. So that is really good. So 12, which was resistance, became support. So right now it's just consolidating around that area. Okay, so came back below it. What you want to see is a nice consolidation. It can come all the way down to the 21 moving average even. And then that's where you see if it comes back up, you start getting your ABCD pattern or flag patterns forming. So we'll definitely be watching out for that. And later in today, once the market opens up, I'll definitely show you guys what I look at, what I'm looking at, what I'm watching also in regards to my halts. And basically, this is the scanner I have for trade ideas. Basically, um, so it's a monthly subscription that you pay for it. This um, trade ideas basically gives you the moment at the moment data of any stocks that's moving a certain way, down, up, sideways, no matter where it's going. It gives you up to date at the moment data. So basically, as you can see, BBBY has been hitting the scanner the entire morning. BBBY 11 broke 12. So it's been hitting this scanner completely. So I built this from scratch. So basically, all the data points, what I'm looking for, is what I put into this. So basically, anything that pops up, I automatically see the symbol, the time that it's popping up, the price, and also most important is the float for me. So that's why I built it. So and I color, um, and I put color into it. So if I see yellow flashing and the volume's moving, yellow flashing, just going to say strategy name is just running basically. When when yellow flash and it says running, basically it means that it is a low float. It's running, it's moving really fast, and I definitely need to go ahead and take a look at it. So, but I'll be showing you guys how exactly I use it today. Uh, once the market opens up. DRUG is making a move. This one has been a runner. It is a low float, under 7 million share float. So I like it, definitely like it for the break of two, which is a whole dollar. So it hit 97 right now. So let's see if it can break above two. Want to buy around 99, but we just need some volume. It popped up a couple times on the scanner. Pull the scanner up right here. It popped up around 84, 192, 194, 196. So it kept popping up as it was moving higher. And it did the same thing earlier. So I want to see exactly what it wants to do here. But I definitely will be watching it for that break of two. So we'll see what happens. So a new 5 minutes about to open up. See if we get some push in regards to volume. See a lot of buyers at 190. Okay, the question is, are we going to get some follow through volume after this nice little pullback or not? All right, we'll see. All right, here comes the push. Want to buy 197 for continuation. Let's see if we can get continuation here. There was some heavy sellers around that area, 198 area. So want to hold for confirmation. 198. Want to add for the break of two. See if we can get continuation here. So looking for the break of 210. If we can hold. So see if we can break 204, 205. I see 203. There's some sellers, but it's 5 here, 6. Let's see if we break 6, 7. So we're going to take some profit here around 7. And then I want for the break of 210 for continuation. Here's 9. Okay, going to sell some here. Oh, no fills. Let's see we get push up. Okay, canceling my sell order. Basically what I'm doing, I'm selling on the I'm selling on the ask basically. So adding shares to the market. It's pushed down, so I just exited my entire position and gonna come back for another try again. So beautiful break, like I say, of the whole dollar, break 2, and then went to 209. Doji candle, and as you can see, pull back up. Pull back down. But as you can see, the break was followed by really good volume, and then it came down. So I was looking for 210. It hit 29, but that's fine. STBX INDO also. Hey. Yeah, it's not supposed. It's a low. It's a it IPO'd yesterday. Yeah, STBX IPO'd yesterday. All right, Nerve. Nerve is making a move. Yeah, NERV. Let's see if we can push higher. No, not yet. No, I need some more volume. Now it's pulling back. It needs way more volume. We'll see what he wants to do. PRC. SPRC is making a nice little move towards the pre-market high. Yeah. Want to see if it can break 44 and continue higher. Here's 44, 45. Let's see if we can get more. Hmm. Kind of holding, kind of not. Some buyers coming in on it. SPRC. Here it comes back up again. SPRC. Let's see it get a break of 50. It's 45, 40. Yeah, just not holding. Buys at 40. New 5-minute candle. Needs to break above 46. It's not. It's not what I was expecting. I'm taking my exit. All right. It sprung back up again. Yeah, I see nerves sprang back up. Nerve is popping back up. So much resistance at 570. DRUG. STBX. About to hold. So it did hold. STBX did hold on that move up. So it was able to get some shares into it. Into the hold. Yeah. Yeah, nerve is not going to break. It touched 570 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and it has not broke. So watching STBX for the open, looking for a 14 break for continuation. So let's see if we can get it. $370, C60, 14. Here we go. Selling some here. Oh, didn't get filled. Selling some here. 1427, 1440. Nice move. Selling some here. And then if we get continuation, I might add back into it. 1438, 50, 97 was the high. Taking some off here. 15, nice move. 1553. Let's see if we can push above 1540. Here comes a break of 15. Okay. See if we can break above 1540 now so we can get continuation. Taking some off the table. Have about 300 shares left. Breaks 14, I'm all out. Did not like this candle here. Big red candle, big red volume. So was not a fan, but you can see it's trying to push back up again. So this was an irrational play, but I did get out. But 40, as you can see, touch it once and then touch it again around that 40 area where it would turn positive for the day. because that's where it closed at. So we'll see if it's able to do that. There's some heavy sellers. 27 want to buy. See, it's not breaking 28 yet. It's 28, 29. Want to add for the break of 30. It's 29. It's 30. And then I want to add for the break of 32. Some sellers at 34. See when we get continuation here. It's 35. Pre-market is 35. So let's see if we can break that area. So we got some nice volume coming in. So let's see if we can get that continuation to take place. Sellers at 34. Still holding for the pullback and then a pop. I want to add also for that break of 35 for continuation. So I'm looking around like 250 area if we can get that. Adding here. Here's 40. Let's see we get continuation here. Hits 45, 40. Let's see we continue higher. It's 39. It's 40. Let's see if we can break 40 for continuation. Get some of my profits off here because it's not breaking as fast as I wanted to. It's 41 now. Okay, come on. 42. Still taking some off. And then I'll add for the break of 45 and 50 area. So see if we can get continuation. Looks like a double top is forming at 45. So we want to see if it can break 45. 43, 44. See 43 is getting printed. As long as it holds. My stop is at 32. It's all over the place right now because there's a lot of buyers coming into it right now. So nice pullback candle. It gets bought up. So let's see if we get that continuation. Buyers at 36, as you can see in a level 2, but there's some sellers at 37. So it's coming up. It's just a battle right now between the long bears and the bulls. There's 41 again. Let's see if it can break 42, 43. Even though it has 6 million share float, it seems like it is sort of a heavy one. All right, nice little pullback. So we'll see if we get some volume for that continuation to take place. So volume came down. So what we want is volume to push up for continuation. It's 44, 45. Let's see here. 47, 48. I want to add for the break of 50. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. 49. Here comes 50. Come on. Okay, here comes a break of. Let's see if we can get bought. 50 is getting hit. Okay, it's getting hit. Let's see if we can break 50. He's 50 again. Nice move. 55, selling off on the ass. Selling at 53. 51. Got about 1,700 shares left. Getting out the rest. All right. That was very nice. Yeah, like I said before, those half dollars and whole dollars are like a magnet to stocks, and it is always somewhere where I dial in my entries in regards to adding into a position that I'm already in. And as you can see, this was a nice little breakout for the break of 50 continuation. Nice, you can see double top at 55, and it's pulling back to the 9 moving average. And that's a possibility it can definitely come back and retest 50 and continue higher.